Hey guys, today's the day that I scramble and solve the 8x8 for my first time ever. So first I have to scramble it. Oh, well that went everywhere, but it's scrambled. This is my first time ever scrambling an 8x8, and now it's going to be my first time ever solving an 8x8. So cue the time lapse. Okay, quick update. I have all of the centers done. White center, yellow center, and then red, blue, orange, green. Color scheme is right because this is an even cube, so you have to put the centers in the right place or else it can't be solved. So next I'm going to work on pairing up these edges, and then I'll report back when I'm done with that. Alright, I just finished doing all of the edges. The last two took a while because I don't know the parity algorithm, so I had to find a different way around it. So now, it's the simple stage, the 3x3 stage. I didn't even see this. Dang it, I guess I do have parity. So I'll have to look it up, but I'm just gonna do the 3x3 stage, then do parity, and then I'll be done. So I finished with the 3x3 stage, which means I basically finished the whole entire 8x8, but I have parity. So yeah, let's just fix that. Oh, well, it looks like I'm in a different location now, but now the parity problem is fixed, so I just have to do this last step, and then I'll be done with the 8x8, so let's do it. Okay. So excited to finally solve the 8x8. If you don't realize how long that time lapse was where I was sitting outside, it was like an hour and a half, somewhere around there, just time lapsing me solving the 8x8. Now I have almost solved it. And no whatchamacallit parity. So yeah. In 3, 2, 1, boom. Boom. First time ever solving the 8x8. So now I can say I've officially solved every single Rubik's Cube 2x2 through 8x8. Like and subscribe if you want to see another time lapse, but this time with the 8x8 included. See you in the next video. Bye!